You guys know this stuff. You know this stuff. You just have to want it. You just have to want it. You gotta want it so bad that you're willing to just do it and say, enough is enough. You do that with your kids. You do that with your neighbors. You do that with your bosses. Now you gotta do it about your life. What is it that you really want? Get some clear, distinct ideas about what it is you really want. Because the system we have now is crumbling, and it's going to continue to crumble. All the illusion in the world is not, and it's going to continue to crumble. All the illusion in the world is not going to keep it standing because it's run its course. It's done. So we have to create something else. And we have to, because if we don't, the powers that be will create it for us. And I guarantee you, you will not be free. You won't be free. You won't like it at all. You won't. It's a given, absolute given, because it's all about them. It's not about you. And as Spock once said, the needs of the many outweigh the needs of the few. Mm-hmm. Next question.
Alex, my name is David Farman. I represent Alienshift, alienshift.com.
Let's see here. Let's get to the meat and the potatoes here.
Well, I think George said it best. That he was willing to challenge the police officer about it. Okay? And it was a big surprise for him. So you see, the influence that the United States has had on the world is so more profound than any of us realize. And the disappointment is probably equal to that at this point. Okay? Because here we have, the propaganda has been communism, fascism. We have sent young men to war, lost their lives to fight communism and fascism. And in 60 years, we become fascist? What's wrong with this picture? Okay? Sir, 2 more questions and then I'm done.
I wanted to preface this question with...
I absolutely know what I know about the missing children. And I'm not going to apologize for it, and I stand by what I said all those years ago, and I stand by it today.
Okay, could you summarize, because we're aware of this as well, so if you could just, in maybe one sentence.
We have become a natural resource. Very much how we've used cows. We use cows and other animals. We ourselves have become a natural resource. The younger ones are the most desirable because they're not tainted with chemical poisons in their bodies, because they're young. That's all I'm going to say.
Laura Knight Jetzig has gone into this in depth, and Rich Dolan has also written a review of her book that's very positive, and Rich has, and Alfred Weber published an article about the subject. So if you want to investigate it further, because it's actually, I just want to augment what Alex is saying here, in the sense that the point is not to give you everything out on a platter, okay? It's for you to understand what's going on. The point is to give you direction. What Alex is doing here is mentoring you, okay? He's giving you indications, and that's what our whistleblowers do, by the way. They don't tell you everything. They don't even tell us everything, but they give us the clues that we need to do the research necessary to find out the truth. And when you hit the truth, it gets you. You can tell. You know it. You want to be in denial, go right ahead. It's out there. The truth is out there.